everybody, this is Bob Iacchino from Path Trading Partners along with Mike Arnold for your AM Equity Path Chat. Just so you guys know, if you ever don't see a particular market covered in these Path Chats, whether AM or PM, that's just because the analysis refers back to the prior one. It's not because we skipped or forgot. I just wanted to say that because there's really not a lot for us to talk about on our equity updates. We did a late PM Equity Path Chat yesterday, which covered everything that we're looking at basically for this morning. So if you want to see that, it's up on the YouTube channel. You can take a look at it. Please do take a look at it. But this particular Path Chat, we want to go over the NASDAQ and then some comments on Dow theory because the transports look like they may be ready to make a move. I'll cover that after Mike's done showing you what he's going to show you on the chart. So Mike, it's all yours.
Okay, thanks, Bob. We have the NASDAQ futures up here, and we're still in this rising wedge pattern. So we're still watching for a potential move below this upward sloping support line, which is right now coinciding exactly with the 8 EMA also. And then the targets would be this rising 20 EMA and then the bottom channel line, which is a mirror from this upper channel line. So that's how that would play out. We'd really need a close below this. The market's looking quite interesting. The ranges are getting tighter and it's just drifting higher. So we can, at some point, if this breaks, see sharp and sudden moves. That's what we'll be watching for on there. The transports, I'm going to be watching this on a weekly basis, not a daily basis. We have a major potential double top here. We need to get a close below the 89.8034 level. Again, that's 89.8034. If it paused for a bit and let this 20 EMA get up closer, that makes the pattern a much higher probability. What's also interesting is the full target on this right now is just slightly above the 50-week exponential moving average. That's one of the things we'll be watching for and could signal some market tops if this does trigger, at least the short-term market tops. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks, Mike. You guys may have heard the bells in the background. That's signifying the market open, equity market open. Real quick, just with this transport chart here, if you don't know what Dow theory is, Dow theory was developed by Charles Dow of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, along with his partner Edward Jones, hence the Dow Jones. Dow theory has 6 components to it. The one that Mike is basically pointing to with this transports chart, one of the theories or one of the components of Dow theory is that indices must confirm each other. And Charles Dow and Edward Jones used the 2 indices that they created to create this particular component of Dow theory, saying that indices must confirm each other, which was the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Dow Jones Transport Index. So they always said that if the transport and the Dow go down at the same time, that's confirming a new bearish trend. If they go up at the same time, that's confirming a new bullish trend. It doesn't matter which one leads. But for example, when the Dow Jones Transports made new highs, that signified that the Dow Jones Industrial Average was going to make new highs, get over 20,000. That confirmed it. So that's really the part of Dow theory that Mike is talking about. We've got some potentially short-term bearish stuff he showed you in the NASDAQ. You combine it with this, you could potentially see the transports index go down and then the Dow Jones follow. If you think about it, Dow Jones Transports, that's shipping, and Dow Jones Industrials, industrial equipment gets shipped by transport companies. So there's, again, the relationship goes even further than Dow theory. PathTradingPartners.com. Subscribe to the Money Path podcast. You can find that on our website, or you can just put into the search bar in the iTunes store, the Money Path podcast. It will pop up. It is free. And send us an email at support@PathTradingPartners.com. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.